Star 1800-2024 Algebra 1 was logs by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. Video number 32, Giant College Algebra Review. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Before we get started here, if you need money, they're like this. My margins open 24 hours. Great boss, great food, great work. But let's say you don't need money. Nah, you don't need money. Get out of there. Alright, so let's do this. F of x is 5x plus 8. G of x is 7x minus 3. Find f plus g of 2. First of all, we find, what does that mean? F plus g of x means f of x, g of x. Add them together. Take the parentheses off. Now you have, add these together, you get 12x plus 5. Now we're going to find what f plus g of 2 is. Put a 2 in there for the function. 12 times 2 is 24, plus 5 is 29. So f plus g of 2 is 29. Yes, you can use a calculator. Let's use a calculator. Okay. All right. How do we do this machine here? Well, we have 12 times 2 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so 12 times 2 plus 5. Enter. It's 29. Yes. So you can use a graphing calculator that helps. Okay. One of these. All right. So now, after you finish doing this, and also the domain is all real numbers. And Shark says, swim with me. After you do this review, go swim in Gaussian Padragon somewhere. Now, f minus g of x. So you're going to go f of x minus g of x. This stays the same. This one changes. Negative. Negative, negative is positive. Put these together. That's going to give you negative 2x plus 11. F minus g of 3. Put a 3 in there. It's going to be negative 6 plus 11 is 5. So f minus g of 3 is 5. Domain, all real numbers. F times g of x. So f of x times g of x. Multiply these together. So that times that is 35x squared. That times that is 15x. That times that is 56. That times that is 24. Put them together, you're going to get 35x squared plus 41x minus 24. So now this 35x squared plus 41x minus 24 is f times g of 4. Put a 4 in there. 4 there. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times that, 560. And 4 times 41 is 164 and 24. This right here is 724. Minus 24 is 700. So f times g of 4 is what? 700. Again, domain is what? All real numbers. This one. Divide f over g of 1. All right, first one. Fx over g of x means 5x plus 8 or 7x minus 3. Now, this one has a division, so we can't have 0 in the bottom of the denominator. So let's find out when does that happen. 7x minus 3 equals that. Add 3, add 3. 7 equals 3. Divide by 7, divide by 7. So x is 3 over 7. So domain is any number you want, but don't use 3 over 7. Or from negative to 3 sevenths, jump 3 sevenths to infinity. So put the 1 in there. F of g of 1. F of g of 1 is that times 5 times that. It's 5. 7 times that, 7. So we have this numbers, it's 13, and this number is 4. So f divided by g of 1 is 13 over 4. Domain is this number's right here. Ooh, difference quotient. Okay. For this function, find f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So f of x is the same thing. Copy it. Now, x plus h, f of x plus h means where there's an x, you put an x plus h right there. See? X plus h, x plus h. And this means x plus h times x plus h twice. 4 times, negative 4 times that, negative 4x. That times that's going to be negative 4h plus 1. Negative is going to change this one to a negative. And negative is going to be a positive. Negative or positive is going to be a negative. Now, multiply this out. X times x, x squared. X times h is xh. X times h is xh again. H and h is h squared. This is like 1xh and 1xh, okay? So now, 1xh and 1xh is 2xh. So x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus all this stuff right here. Copy it. Now notice, x squared and negative x goes away. 4x, negative 4x plus 4x goes away. Positive 1, negative 1 goes away. So what's left over is this right here. 2xh plus h squared minus 4h over h. Now divide h into each one of these 3 fractions. So this one is going to be 2x, this is going to be h, and it's going to be just negative 4. This one says f of x is this. Saw when is f of x equal to 20? All right. When is this equal to 20? Well, there it is. Subtract 20 from both sides. So you have x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. Now we're going to factor this out. But now, look at the last number. The last number says 18. So 18 is 1, 9, 2, 3, and 6. Which of these works? I say this one works. 3, 6. That one. X plus 3x minus 6. Check it. X times x is x squared. I said minus 6x. That's 3x minus 18. So that's going to be x squared minus 3x minus 18. Does that match? Yes. So that works okay. Now, set that equal to 0. That one equal to 0. X plus 3 minus 3. X plus 6 minus 6. So x is negative 3 or x equals 6. So that's when that's going to equal to what? 20. Okay. Minus 3 and 6 makes this one equal to what? 20. Okay. This one says find h of 1.3. So where is in the function, isn't it x? You're going to put 1.3, 1.3. 1.3 times 1.3 is 1.69 times 44.9 is this number. Subtract those two numbers on your calculator, you're going to get this answer. So at 1.3, what do you get? 17.719. This one says when is h of x equals 7. So all this equals 7. So now let's solve this. Subtract 26 from both sides. So we have this equals that. Divide by negative 4.9, negative 4.9. This is gone. X squared equals negative by negative is positive. Square root of this, square root of this. So this is going to get x equals all this. Round it to 1.97. So 1.97, you will get 7. Pretty close anyway. When is this equal to 0? When is h of x equal to 0? All right, set that equal to 0. Subtract. So we have this number equals this, negative 26. Divide. So again, negative by negative is positive. Square root. So x equals all this number. And round it to 2.30. And that's it. We're looking for the positive one only anyway. Example, in 2.30 minutes, the shark will be 0 feet from you. This one, it says find r of x minus c of x. So r of x is this one, and c of x is that one. Subtract the two. So this one, copy it. Negative, change it sign. Negative, change it. Negative, positive, change it. Negative, positive, negative. So all this together is going to give you, see, negative 0.07 x cubes power, yeah, and 0.8 x squared from these right here, and 109x. That's it. Now, next question is, what is p of 13? So that means where is an x? You can put 13, 13, 13, and 13 to the power of 3 is this. 13 to the 2 powers with this number. Now, multiply. We have all these numbers, put in the calculator, and you get this answer. So after 13, at 13, you're going to get 998.41. Or, example, if grandma sells 13 dresses, she will make $998.41 profit or something. Okay. This one. Find RV plus B of V. Okay. So add those together. It means plus it. So put all this together. So this one's there. And this one changes nothing. It's the same thing. Plus this one right here is going to be 2.6V minus 14. Okay. Now, what do we do with this? We are going to put 50 in there. So do you have 50? Put a 50 in there. 50 times 50 is that times this. And that's going to be that. It's going to 14. So this is going to be 230 minus 14 is 216. So example of this. At 50 miles per hour, it will take a total of 260 feet. That's, reaction time, braking time. So at 50 miles per hour, it will take 260 feet for your Texas truck to stop. Ooh, lots of stuff in this. Information from this. Let's look at this. First one says, what's f of negative 7? Negative 7 is right here. The answer is negative 2. What's f of negative 2? Negative 2 is right here. It's 2. What's f of 6? 6 is over here. It's 2. What's f of 0? F of 0 is negative 1. F of 2 is equal to negative 2, right? F of 2 equals negative 2. Yep. So that's a negative answer. F of negative 2 is 2. F of negative 2 is a positive 2. Okay. So f of negative 2 is a positive answer. So when is f of x equal to 0? When is it going to be 0? And the answer is negative 6. It's 0 here. It's 0 there. And 0 there. There, right there. Those three places. All right. When is f of x greater than 0? When is it above the, up here, this right here, and this right here? So it's above right here from negative 6 to negative 1, and here from 4 all the way including the 6. The domain goes left and right, so it goes all the way from negative 7 to 6. Okay, range, where does it go? From the bottom goes negative 2 all the way up to where? 3. Goes like this. Domain and the range right here. All right, x-intercepts, negative 6, negative 1, 4. Negative 6, negative 1, 4. The y-intercept, right there, at 0, negative 1. The line y equals 1 is intersected how many times? Y equals 1 is going to go across like this, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3 hits. The line x equals 4 is just a line going up and down like this. It's going to hit it one time. And if f of x equals negative 2, it's negative 7 and 2. At negative 7, it's a negative 2. And at positive 2, it's a negative 2. See right here? So, and f of x equals 3, when is that going to happen? At x equals negative 3, it's a 3 right here. See it? Zeros. Again, the zeros are, when is it going to hit the 0 line right here? The x, this is going to be at negative 6, negative 1, and 4. Lots of information from that graph. Use the graph to find the data. Okay, got it. Is this a function? It lines up and down? Yes, it's a function. Domain, all real numbers. Range, from the bottom, from negative infinity to 4. Negative infinity to 4. Anything you want? Domain, range, from there to there. X-intercepts, negative 8, 0, and 8, 0 right there. Y-intercept, go up to 0, 4. So x-intercepts, 0, 4. So y-intercept. Yes, this is symmetrical with respect to the x-axis. See, half of it's there, half of it's there, right there. Okay. List the intervals in which f is increasing. Okay, right here is increasing. And then right here is increasing. And then from here it's increasing. So what are those answers? Alright, so from here to here, so negative 10 to negative 4, it's going up. And then from negative 2 right here, it's going up again, increasing. See right here? And then from 3, right here, 3 to where? 5, it's increasing. So from negative 10 to negative 4, it's increasing. From negative 2 to there, 0 is increasing. And from 3 to 5 is increasing. Alright, next one. Is there a local maximum at x equals 3? I don't know, is there? Yeah, there's a max right there. And how it goes up to what? 9. So yes, the local maximum at x equals 3 is what? 9. So it goes 3 up 9 right here. That's a local max. Okay. And then the next one is what? It's done. This is fun. I think so. Go after you do that. Go to Body Dragon, Rockport, Paransas somewhere. Have fun. Get your surfboard out there. Got lots of money. Go to Hawaii. Take all your surfboard stuff out there. They go 45-foot waves at North Shore. Breaks your surfboard. Don't worry about it. Okay, there you are looking at your stuff. Alright. Math Monster? Nah, it's fun. These guys are scary. 7. These guys are scary too. Anytime you see them. Numbers? Nah, they're not scary. 7. This guy? Holy cow, he's still pretty scary. Crunchy 1. How about 22 and 3? Yeah, they're all scary, huh? Anyways, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your college algebra review. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your giant college algebra review. Bye. Talk to you later. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck.